everybody. This morning finds us in Southeast Modesto at 925 Montmartre. Come on in and get a look. This is a beauty. The homeowner has recently done a tremendous amount of remodel on this house, and the new owner is going to benefit from that. Starting with this kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, hard finish counters, slow close on all the drawers. It's got everything. Originally, this floor plan were two separate rooms, living and dining. And as you can see, the wall's been opened up for a nice, expansive living area. Still able to close it off with those gorgeous doors. And look at this gorgeous brick fireplace, all ready for what's coming soon. The master sits at the back of the property for lots of quiet and privacy, walk-in closet, and a brand new, beautiful shower. And there's more. Screened-in porch, beautiful pool, and large area for your recreational vehicle parking. Now that you've had this opportunity to preview it, come see it for yourself. Give me a call, Lorraine Cardoza of the Cardoza Group at PMZ Real Estate, 209-605-6317. I can't wait to show it off.